Good day, guys. Welcome to this another episode of another analysis and another prediction of Euro US dollar, gold, and CHFJPY. I'm having another prediction. Like, I want to share another analysis with you guys. I want to share another analysis with you, though I didn't plan for it this week, but because of the recommendation of some of my friends and some of my boss to do another video on it. So I'm going to share my analysis, my point of view, what I think about this 4 p.m. Let me delete all this. Euro US dollar, gold. Let me just say three on these 4 PS. My point of view on these 4 PS. So I'm starting with this, guys. So I'm in the monthly chart now of CHFJPY, and this is what I can see here. A turning point. That is, this is an impulsive movement and a corrective movement. So we have impulsive and corrective movement. So we are probably expecting another touch here and breakout, or maybe breakout here because of this movement. This movement is like this. And if you are looking at it, it's something like flag partner, guys. So you are probably expecting a breakout to the upside because of this partner. So let's go to the weekly chart and look at how things goes there. Yes, in the weekly chart, though, you can see the movement, all the movement here, because I'm using phone to do my analysis, but I think we can only see the corrective movement here. So we have our first touch here. This is still the first touch. You have this boom. So what information do we really see here? And I'm coming, guys. The only information, let me check this. There's uptrend here. Yes, I'm seeing a shining here. Guys, I'm sorry. Yes. So I'm see a channel here. This is an something like uptrend. We have our first touch here, second touch. We have the first. We have the first touch here. This is the second touch, and this is the third touch. So in the in the up trade here, the resistance level, we have our first touch here. The first touch come down here, give us the first touch on the resistance level. We have this is the second touch, come back, give us a second touch here, and here we have the third touch. So probably we we may expect this movement like this to here, down here. We may expect a movement from here, break out of this channel, and here. So if we have that movement there, this is how it will look like in the monthly chart. So probably we are expecting something like this. We are expecting something like this. Then that is the probability of things we are expecting. Yeah, all this prediction, all this analysis are probability. I'm not 100% certain about it. So let's go to one daily chart. So this is what we have in the daily chart. Let me use my line chart. So what we are really expecting here too is something like this. That is what we are really expecting. The daily chart. Let me on my data and let me look at the reaction, the movement of this candle. So now this is what we are seeing in the daily chart. So this is what we are really expecting. We are expecting this and break out of this channel, but we haven't seen any reason to enter it yet. The only reason we see is just the structure. The structure is that because of the uptrend here. So we are really expecting a reversal point here because of the structure here. When I'm saying the structure, I'm saying the structure, meaning here is one turning point. So this area where the price is equally a turning point. So that is the only reason we have now, is because of the structure, the turning point area. So we just have but let's look for another signal. Let's go for to 4 hours chart and see things. So this is 4 hours. Let me look at something here. Yes, we have a shining in the 4 hours. We have a shining too in the 4 hours, and the and this is a shining now. I think this is the first touch. The second touch. I'm coming. I'm sorry. First, second, and third. So we are probably expecting a retracement here too, to this side. Let's go to 1 hour. Oh, fine. Probably maybe we 4 hour 1 hour is giving us information here. Some information here. Like I'm looking for the entry point. So here in 1 hour, maybe we will have double top here, double touch the first touch and the second touch before coming down to this place. And if price will come down to this place, so very soon we are expecting a movement to this place after this movement, or after this short movement. Let's look at 15 minutes. Yes, we are expecting this is what we are expecting, a movement to here and here. But all these movements, all these my analysis are all in probability. If you guys can share this video to your friends, to your teacher for review, your students, and if I can get some viewers, I may do an episode on this probability topics. That is what changed my view about trading, thinking in probability. So all this my analysis is in probability. This is what I'm really expecting, and down to this place. So the breakouts. So we are expecting the first movement here. Let me go to the 4 hour. Yeah, so we are expecting a movement here. So probability, this is what we are expecting in the daily chart. A down movement here and breakout of this channel. After the breakout, the weekly, you remember my 70% probability of price coming back to the starting point of this channel, and this is the starting point of this channel. So probability of price coming back the starting point of this channel. So guys, this is my view. I'm seeing a sell setup in this currency pair. I'm seeing a sell setup in this currency pair. From 1 hour to 4 hours to daily charts to weekly charts, I'm just seeing a sell setup here. So this is my point. This is my view on this currency pair. CF, that is Swiss franc versus yen, that is Japanese currency. So let's go to another currency. Let's look at gold. As I'm offering my data, so this is good, guys. This is good. This is good. And we are monthly chart of gold, and we are in the monthly chart. So there is a lot of information here. I can see even one here, a turning point here. I can see another turning point here. This is an impulsive move up. this is a corrective move, a sideways movement. So another information I'm seeing here, let me go back to my line chart. Let's go to the weekly chart. Maybe we see things clearly. I'm sorry guys. So this is impulsive move up, and this is the corrective, but let's look at the nature of this corrective. So this is what we have, guys. Good. We're having things like this. This is the breakout of this channel. Let me look at something. Oh, here. Let me put it here. So we have another movement here. We have a breakout of a channel here. But do you see, though we have a breakout, but my 75% rule of go to that place, I don't think I'm expecting any fulfillment on that one. Or maybe let's just do our analysis, but price is not yet there. Retrace there. So we have another thing like this. I think like this. Yes. This is what we have here. That's something like this. Price up, price here. Maybe probably expecting this second, the third thoughts. I am not really fan of this partner. Maybe breaking out to the upside, complete this movement or something. But I'm not fan of this movement. So let's go further. Let's look at things on daily charts. So we are in this partner, but there are things here, we are seeing things here, and for candlestick we have something like turning point here. There's a turning point here. You can see it. We have a rejection here, rejection here, a rejection here, a rejection here, and there's also a rejection here. That is why I call it a turning point, a resistance level. There's a level there, but in line chart we didn't see all that. But I'm seeing something in the line chart. Let's go to 4 hours to see it clearly. So we are in the 4 hours here. So it's like we have a shining here. Yes, we have a shining here. You can see it. Our first, second, and third breakout retrace to this place. I have 1, 2. Though the touch did not come to the right place, but yet remember this is a turning point. Exactly, this is a turning point resistance level. So though we have a price reaction here, and price reaction probability may still have something like this coming down to this place. Yes, we may still have something like that. We may still have something like that. Let's go to the hourly chart and look at things. Yes, we may still have something like this. We may still have something like this. You have a channel, you have it breakout, come here and retrace. Probability we may have something like this. Price come here again and retrace back to the starting of the channel. That is what we may have. That is what I'm expecting. But you guys should notice something, that there is some, if you are a trader, you may notice something this month, this December, that things are not so straight. You may do your analysis and everything, but yet sometimes price may delay or form a little of correction or something like that. Is because of this month. We are in December month where big bank industry, forex industry are closing, so they are closing and round up for the new year. So let's go for another pair, guys. So that is my point of view, guys, on gold. Let's do a little review on the monthly chart. This is the weekly chart. Okay, and there's probability of this price coming here, this price coming here, and if you have that, there's something retracement, impulsive retracement. We may have breakout, or we may have continuation to the upside. But guys, just be patient, because gold is moving somehow. Gold is very volatile, and it is trading with, you should trade this gold carefully because of its volatile and other stuff like that. So guys, if price come here again, we may expect a breakout to the downside because of this impulsive and corrective movements, or probably price may go up. But I'm not sure. I'm expecting a down movement because of this. First reason of me expecting a down movement here is I'm having something like flag inside flag. I have first impulsive movements here. After that, I have some little corrective movements, and again I'm having another large of this version here. So because of this, I'm 80% sure that price may break this down, but I'm not 100% sure. But 80% probability that price may break it. And if price break it, that means price break this zone. Price break this zone down here. And if price break this zone down here, yes, if price break this down zone here, we may have things like this. We may have things like this. we may have things like this. Price break it here and forming a channel. We may have things like this, but I don't really know, because we may have a breakout here and price coming here forming a channel probably, but you just be careful. But this pattern, I told you I'm not really a fan of it. Price may break it up or break it downside here. We have a pattern here. I'm not really fan of that pattern. Probably the third. Maybe price will break it down or go up. I'm not really fan of that pattern. But just be patient. The market is going to give us information. Maybe it will break it down, though I have a reason of it break it down, or it will break it up. But price will always give us an information. Ours is to follow the information the market provides for us. If we are no wiser than the market, because the problem of many traders is they are wiser than the market. They are moving ahead than the market. They won't wait to collect information, to take information, to follow the market, but they will go ahead of the market. So we may probably have the breakout of this reason. Okay, let's look at this. Why we have the break to the downside? We have a pattern like this, So let's go to the daily chart and look at it. Okay, to the 4-hour chart. Firstly, we have this here that tell us that the price may still reach here, and in the daily chart, we have impulsive down, a little corrective, then we have large corrective here. So probably we may have the breakout of this channel. So guys, it is my point of view. Good, just be careful. The price are going to give us information. Ours is to follow the information that the market give us. So my next on the list is Euro US dollar. Euro US dollar is my next on the list. So let me go to the monthly charts of this pair. I'm coming. So we are in the monthly chart of this pair. Guys, let me off my data. On the monthly chart of this pair, we have a lot of information. Here. Let me look at this. Like we have something like shining here. Yes, we have uptrend. I don't really know where the uptrend is coming from, because here we are in 1971, thousands of more than 100 years now. So we have uptrend, and now we have something. We have another thing here, nothing that I can see. Yes, we have another thing here in the monthly charts, and we have something here again. You can see it, and we have another thing here, support and resistance level here. So automatically price is coming down to the support level now. You can see, guys, you can see it. And we have some another thing, that impulsive here, have a corrective, yes, impulsive now, small consolation, a corrective movement, probability of price breaking this place, you guys, I am seeing something here, but it's things that I don't want to talk much about because I don't really know where this uptrend is coming from. But I'm seeing the probability of breaking this uptrend now, because you can see the reason of me saying that, we have something like this here, impulsive corrective, we have breakout, we have another impulsive corrective. So we are expecting another breakout here, which is automatically the breakout of that structure. So guys, this is what we are really expecting. So that is the breakout of this channel. So but I'm seeing another thing again, even though we have the breakouts, I'm seeing another thing. This is impulsive to the upside, and this is a corrective. So yes, this is a corrective to the upside, to the downside. So you may have this like this, a breakout from here, but you may have another thing, another movement up, but I'm not really sure, I'm not yet sure. The market is going to give us information. Ours is to follow the information that the market provide for us. But what I'm seeing here is, I'm still seeing price coming to this level. Price is still coming to this level. Probability break it out, coming here, break it. So let's go to weekly chart and look at things. So we are in the weekly chart now, and the weekly chart we see the price movement. You can see things, price movements. We see impulsive and little corrective here, maybe probability breaking down. Let's go to daily charts. Because we want to put our attention into this movement here. So let's go to daily charts. What do we really see in here? Do you really see any trade here? We have one trade here too. I don't really trust this trade. I don't really trust it. Why? Because of this movement. We have a down trade. You have a down movement, and if you can see it, you have impulsive down, and we have a corrective movement here. So let me turn it to line chart and look at things. You have impulsive movement from here, impulsive movement, then we have a corrective movement. So yes, we are still expecting a breakout. We are still expecting a breakout to the downside. So guys, there's still a probability, 80%, I can say 80% probability that price will reach here, because 80% probability that the price will break this in the daily. Though let's go to the daily charts. Let's move to the 4 hours and see something. Ability, what can we see here? Yes. So we have things like this. So what I'm expecting is price reach here, come down and break out. So that is what I'm expecting, guys. I'm not expecting anything more. I'm 80% expecting that movement there. Let me go to 1 hour. Maybe probably price touch this back and come back here. So that is what I'm expecting on this pair. That is what I am expecting here. I'm still expecting down movement. I'm still expecting down movement here and even breakout. So let's go to the last one, which is odd and his friend. Let's look at something. Okay. So guys, let's call it a day here. I will do another video on these two, this USD CHF and or AUD CHF. I'm running out of time and I have a lot to do, guys. So watch this video, do your own analysis, wait for the market to give you information. It's like I'm seeing down movement in all these pair, both this and this. It's like I'm seeing a down movement. You remember this. Let's do little review on them all before I end the video. Let's do little review on them all. You still remember this in the daily chart and even in the 1 hour. So this is what we are still expecting, guys. So, and even in US dollar, that is what we are expecting. So guys, be patient with the market, do your analysis. Help me to share this video, help me to like it, help me to comment, share it to your friend. Thanks. I love you ever, and you are mine and I'm yours till eternity, till the trumpet sound. Thank you, guys. Happy New Year in advance.